What is going on, guys? I want to show you how to use a mask to detect a jump in current when you're recording using this shunt that we set up. And it's set up the same way I showed you in the previous video. I can just push this button and send current across this shunt resistor right here. So I made a couple of modifications to how this is set up. On the probe, the shunt probe, I just modified the scale to be for here. So -10 is -1 amp, 40 millivolts is 4 amps, just to make the scale easier to see. Okay, that's the first thing I did. The next thing I did is I created an action over here, which is called, you click on action and then you tell it what you want it to do. So on mask fail, I want it to play this chime. And then over here, we're going to create the mask. Now, the way you create the mask is you basically go to the editor and you're going to generate a mask from the source. So what you want your source to be is just a flat line recorded across the whole screen, right, of just your 0 reading coming off of that shunt, okay? And once you do that, you can generate a mask from the source, okay? All right, so now we're ready to go. And all I can do is I can hit record. Let's actually close this down here. I can hit record, and you'll see that if I hit the button, I deviate into the mask, and then it plays an alarm. Now watch, this time I'm not going to hit the button, and we're just going to let it go through, and you'll see that it's not going to play a sound, see? Do it again, and it'll give you an alarm. So that's pretty cool. You can just set this up, and so you set it up on a vehicle, you're looking for an intermittent parasitic draw. As soon as the whatever kicks in that's going to start drawing current, it'll sound an alarm when it gets to the end of this sweep. So it'll alert you that, something's going on. Thanks for checking it out, guys.